So true or false? WHOIS databases can be queried by anyone. Is it true or false?
I'm going to say the answer is true.
WHOIS databases can be queried by anyone. Yes. Right. These databases provide information about the URL, its owner or contact person details, IP address, DNS details, server, and operating system details.
Yeah. And DNS footprinting allows you to obtain information about DNS Zone Data. DNS Zone Data includes DNS domain names, computer names, IP addresses, and more information about the network. DNS information obviously will be helpful to the attacker. With the DNS information, they can work to determine key hosts in the network. Then they can use social engineering techniques to gather even more information.
You can use DNS interrogation tools such as www.dnsstuff.com. By using DNS Stuff, you can extract DNS information about IP addresses, mail server extensions, DNS lookups, WHOIS lookups, etc. You can extract a range of IP addresses utilizing the IP routing lookup of DNS Stuff. Some of the target network allows unknown, unauthorized users to transfer DNS zone data. Then your job is easy.
Yeah.
You can easily obtain the requisite DNS information.